with no options, no shorts, no stress and drama, and hardly ever in margin these days. I've got no margin at all at the moment, no leverage whatsoever. So why is the market selling off? Well, selling off for the very reasons we've given. Hundreds of reasons. We can't put it all on this live stream. This is a short live stream because I'm very busy trading and I can't do the amount I want while I'm broadcasting. And this is my real money. I share everything with you. I answer every question. Everyone can call in. Everyone has a voice. You know how much money I have. This is it, live in front of you right now. So the S&P is going down. No surprise, we expected that to happen, and it can go down 40% with a full unwind. We don't know how far that is. That's not doom and gloom. That's great because the businesses are doing well. GDP is okay. Earnings is okay. General market conditions are okay. The economy, remember, is not the stock market. So we have to look at that differently. But we are going more into S-Gov. That's what the Fed are doing as well. Everybody with money is doing that. I've got 17, nearly 18% in S-Gov earning me money. I use that now as my margin. I earn money from my own position. That's my own bank, if you like, my reserve currency. So we've got Coca-Cola trimming now. It's starting to trim. I'm taking lots from the top, taking money that I've made to be able to buy back my favorite assets in the crypto space, Ethereum, XRP, and Bitcoin. People said it wouldn't go down. Well, it has gone down. We can see it's gone down. We knew it was going to go down. So what do? Well, in this time, what we're doing is we're focusing on balance sheets. I'm talking now directly to Bank of America, Robinhood, friends at Ripple. I've got friends at De Beers now in the diamond world. CEOs I can message. I spend no time whatsoever talking to people on X, watching YouTube videos. I haven't got time. I'm on the phone talking to the people that actually move the thing rather than people that pretend to move the thing. So we've got to focus on balance sheets, earnings, reports, and what really is going on in the real world. I've just noticed one tiny little thing. I'm just going to tweak this very slightly. I didn't realize that was off the screen. I know you won't even notice it, but I am very focused on the finer details. I know no one can even see what I'm doing, but I'm moving the clock. The date was not perfectly aligned, and it needs to be perfectly aligned. Is that better? I think that's better. And one more with CST. There we go. And we got a few large whales that watch the channel, some platinum investors, sponsors, not sponsors, what do you call them, members, and things have to be right. Standards are important. There we go. Right, so what we're seeing now is a collective in the crypto space selling off. It's still not right for me to enter. I'm not buying back Ethereum yet. I'm not buying back XRP yet. I'm not buying back Bitcoin yet, and I won't be buying any Dogecoin. Remember, that's a bit of a fun anyway. That's a bit of a gamble, bit of a joke, and that's okay. But we like Bitcoin, we like Ethereum, and we like XRP, but not right now. It's not happening. We're not going to get $100, $1,000 by the end of the year. That's not going to happen. Tom Lee's prediction, I don't believe, is going to happen. However, because of all this nonsense, we can get a better deal in a defensive play right now. So as you can see, this is my real money, my real portfolio. I'm up on the day. I'm up on massively on the week, trying to aim to make $1,000 a day now and then trade out and then move into S-Gov. That's what I'm achieving, $1,000 a day. If I can do $1,000 a day, that's $365,000 a year. Just profit. So we're up on the day, the week, the month, the 3 month, the year to date on my stock position. Year to date now is 40%. I 4x'd the S&P 500. I've beaten every metric, which is great, right? And you can do the same. We're here to help you win. There's no need to ever lose. There's no need to ever have stress. We can all win together. That's why I share everything with you. And that's why we give away cash prizes to help you invest and start. You don't have to pay for it. There's no training program. In fact, my training programs are provided free. My gift to you in the newsletter. So I'm not selling you anything. I don't want anything from you, just your company if you'd like to join us here every day. So there you go. Could I ask everyone to tap the like button? That would be fantastic. We've only got 14 likes at the moment. There's 136 of you watching. Please do tap the like button. That would be fantastic. And consider subscribing if you'd like to be part of it. This morning we did a major deep dive on silver. If you want to go and check that out on the channel, that's there. I've also done some shorts for you across all social media platforms of what was contained in that investigation into silver. You might like to take a look at that. We are paying close attention now to silver and trying to find an entry point into silver, also gold as well. We did a full investigation into JP Morgan and what's actually happening there. So we're very, very keen on looking at that. So if you want to go and check that out, you will find a lot of information around that. All right. So anyway, at the moment, we're getting all kinds of rumors about the Ripple Bank, people inflating the news. It's not there yet. It's not the time to buy yet. I'm going to wait. I want to get more XRP. I would like to buy maybe $100,000 of XRP. I'd like to buy a whole Bitcoin. So somewhere in the region, a couple $100 grand invested, a $250,000 in crypto, but not now. It's not the right time. I'm not going to chase. I'm not going to buy into fear or stress. I'm going to focus on protecting my money and making money. So as you can see, I predicted the S&P would fall. It is. We are trimming from the top and just keep reallocating to bring the average down. SGov is my safety net, where I'm earning, where I use that as margin. That's my cash, which I earn 3.85% on, and then I can jump in and out of the day, $500,000 of margin. I can use a lot of money on margin if I want to, and then end of the day, use my SGov to pay it off throughout the day, so thereby getting a day of free interest, if you like, at the same time as earning on my SGov. Coca-Cola, I am trimming now. I am trimming at $70.04 because at the moment I'm very overweight in Coca-Cola, 63.94. Now I don't mind owning it because it sold off because everyone was overbuying everything else. They use Coca-Cola and defensive as a piggy bank for risk stocks, so it's great. They give me and all Coca-Cola investors a free dip. Also, we had the CEO news, which was confused a lot of retail investors. I actually got some information about that, and I'm very pleased to report that the new CEO is the COO formerly, and the operations officer is now integral because the World Cup's coming up. He would have been the most important player anyway. So we've got a good move there on Coca-Cola, plus Christmas, holidays are coming, all that stuff. Nice little bounce there as well. Price of sugar, all of these things benefiting Coca-Cola. And of course, everyone buys it because it's defensive. So you can see I've made a nice little bit of money there in the last couple of days. And I've got about $400 a month now across VU and Coca-Cola, even though they get paid quarterly, over every month, about $400 coming in dividends, and half of that is on my Roth IRA, which is tax-free. So in a few moments, if I'm still here, you will see me trade at $70.04. I will trim about $20,000 out of Coca-Cola, and I'm looking to buy XRP, Bitcoin, and Ethereum, and VU, but not yet. But I can park the money in SGov, earn 3.85% while I'm waiting. I won't pay tax on these gains. They'll very small profit if a wash at $70.04. All right, so that's what we're waiting for. So that's what we're doing with Coca-Cola. That's what we're doing with SGov, and that's what we're doing with the S&P. So as far as XRP is concerned, we are still trending down. I can still see $1 for XRP. I can still see 50,000 for Bitcoin. I'm not trying to be doom and gloom whatsoever. I hope it goes there because then I can buy a whole Bitcoin at half price. I can buy a lot more XRP because I'm making money with my investments and repositioning. So I can double the amount of XRP that I can buy. Remember, I had it at 38 cents originally, so I am very much in favor of buying back in. I like the asset. I just don't like what's going on in the space right now. But we're going to focus on making money. All right, so I'm still waiting. I'm not buying it yet. It's not right. Many people are getting liquidated today again. They're over-leveraged. So, you know, those that follow YouTubers who give them bad advice are losing their money, and then they're giving it to us, the Lucasades. So we're very happy about that. We're not happy about anybody losing any money. We try our best to encourage people to be part of this family. Remember, we never sell you anything. I never contact you. I don't ask you to send me your crypto and take care of it. You take care of yourself. My training programs are for free. I give them to you, and you see on the screen my real money making, and you know I've gone from 5 grand to 286, nearly 287. There we go. And we'll be at $1 million before the end of the decade, without any stress, drama, or worries whatsoever. So you can follow me. I don't want you to follow my trades, of course, but you do ask for me to share them all with you, so I share them all on my socials. There is my X. I also share with you my communications with everybody that I'm speaking to. There's X. There's Instagram. There's the shop, by the way, martynlucasshop.com. All our mugs are now limited. Our Christmas mugs came out today. There is the link in the chat. If you want to get a Christmas present for the family, this is our Christmas collection. We have 3 mugs with the 3 of us, Vaz, Sensei, and me on the front. We got the small, medium, or latte if you want to be posh. These are our mugs with our silver play button, Martyn Lucas Shop.